What's up everyone? So I have a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta here. I'm going to show you how to do the maintenance and inspection reset. So you're going to put your vehicle into accessory mode after you hold down this button. So you're going to hold this down and then press the start button. Accessory, pop this up, ask for reset oil change, and you're going to double click the 0.0. And you got to do it quickly. It will go away fast, so I gotta do that again real quick. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna shut it off, you're gonna hold down, you gotta do it quickly, turn it on, and it will pop up the message right there. Double click, and it will just reset. Now we're gonna do it again to do the inspection, but this time you're gonna hold it longer. So when you hold it, accessory mode, it's gonna hold, keep holding it, holding it, holding it. It's going to say that, double click. After that, it's good to go. Start the vehicle real quick just to ensure. There we go. That's how you change the, or reset the inspection or oil light on a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta. If you have any other questions or want anything, see anything else on this channel, please comment below. I wish you a wonderful day.